Hello friends and welcome to another video. Do you know what we're going to learn today? Yes, we will learn about place value through 10,000s. Let's see how. So before we start, I want you to know something is very important, okay? So we have here about 5 houses, okay? So we have here 10,000 house, thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones, okay? So this is the place value. So let's see the value of 10,000. It's 10,000 with 4 zeros, okay? 10,000 have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Thousands. Thousands here. 1,000. 1,000 has 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the hundreds. House of hundreds. Okay, house of hundreds has 2 zeros. 100 here. 1, 2. 2 zeros. Okay, so here tens, right? Tens only have 1 0. Okay, 1 0. 10. And ones have or has no zeros. Yes? Please remember this. So let's move on. Okay, so here we have an example. Can you see? There are 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. The first, and the biggest number is 10,000, right? This is the biggest house here. So we will write it here, like the first one. Okay, the first number is the bigger number. So 10,000. Okay, we have here the standard form, like here 7, okay, here in thousands 8, in hundreds 6, and tens 3, and ones. So like we learned before, we have 2 forms or 3 forms, but here expanded form and standard form. Standard form is like you wrote the number, okay, the value of it. 78,635. Yes, so here's 7 with 10,000, yes? 70, it's called 70,000 and only 70,000 in expanded form. In expanded form, 70,000, okay? And then let's move on to the thousands. Yes, here. We'll read it as 8,000. Yes, 8,000. So here and hundreds, 600. This is 600. Now here the 3, 30, and tens, 30. Okay. Now here in the ones here 5, only 5, okay? Okay, now let's read the number in the standard form. It will be 78,635. Okay? Okay, let's do this exercise together. Do you see what is this number? Can you read it? It's 57,981. Yes. So how to write it in that box? Can you write each number in its house? Let's do this. So here we have 5. The first number, the biggest number is 5. We'll put it in 10,000 house, okay? It will be 5, okay? And then the next number here, 7. Yes, 7. We'll put it here in thousands. Yes. And the next one, 9. Exactly. 9, 900. Yes, in hundreds house. Then 8 in tens and 1 in ones. So let's write it in expanded form. Can you see? Let's do the first number here, the biggest number, 5. It will be 50. It will be 50,000. 50,000. And 7 in thousands here, it will be 7,000 with 3 zeros. Yes, 3 zeros. Then the hundreds, 9 in hundreds, it will be 900 with 2 zeros. Okay. Then in 10, this will be 80. Yes, with 1 zero. Yes. And then ones, 1, only 1. Okay, with no zero. Now we have numbers here. Yes, it's called, let's read it, the number 32,897. Okay, now can you see the underline? Can you see there is a number that there is like an underline? Yes, yes. So can you see 8? Which form is or which house is it? It is in hundreds house. Yes. So 100 house, it will be 800. Excellent. Now here, can you see this one? This one in what house? In the 1 house. So we won't write any zeros. So it will be 7. Exactly. Okay, so let's see. Write the place of each underlined digit, then write its value. Okay, so here the place of each, the place or the house of each digit. Okay, let's start with this one. Here, the number is 554. So, can you see the underline? Okay, in 5. In which 5? This one, the second one. So, the second one here, in which house or in which place it will be? In tens, yes? So, can you write it, the value of it? It will be 50, exactly. Here, the next one, number 2. Question number 2, here. The 7, yes. Can you see the underline in the 7? Yes. So the 7, which house? 10,000. Yes, in 10,000. Okay. 10,000, can you write the value of it? It will be 70,000 with 4 zeros. 70,000. Okay. Then the next one, can you do it? Yes. 43 and 43,000 and 66. Okay. Now the 3 here in the thousandth house. Yes. The place value of the 3 is in the thousandth. Okay. Now the thousandth have or has 3 zeros. Okay. Yes, so it will be 3,000. Now the last one here, 7,443. So can you see the 4 here? It will be here in hundreds. Yes, so it will be 400 with 2 zeros. Excellent. So let's do the last ones. Okay. Now we have here numbers. Okay, can you read the question carefully? Write the value of the 6 in each number. Can you see the 6 in each number? Where is the 6 here? Yes, it's there. The 6 here, the place value is tens. Yes, with 1 0. Okay, so write the value. The value will be 60. Excellent. And the last one here, 36,898. Okay, now can you see the 6 here? Yes, we need only the 6. Okay, so now it will be 6,000. Thank you and see you next lesson.